Here's how to set up team banking on Lenco. First, click on Settings, then select Team Members. Click on Invite a Team Member. Input the first name, last name, phone number, and email. Select the particular account you want the invited member to manage. If your business has sub-accounts, they will all be displayed here. In this case, we have just the main account, so we'll select it. Select the role, or better put, access level, you want the invited member to have. You can choose Initiator and Approver. This user can create transfers and move money without approval. You can even choose Approver Only. This user can only approve transfers made by an initiator but cannot create a transfer. You can also choose Initiator Only. This user can create transfers for approval by an approver. You can select Viewer Only, but this user has read-only access to the account. And lastly, Notification Only. This user would only receive notification alerts without showing the balance and cannot log in to access the business. Select Notification Type. Full notification would enable your business member to receive both inflows and payouts, that is, credit and debit alerts with your account balance. This notification type is suited for co-founders or trusted members of your business. Truncated notification. This enables the team member to receive both credit and debit alerts, but will not have access to your main account balance. With no notification, the team member won't receive any alerts or access to the account balance. Select the notification channel. This will enable the team member to receive alerts either by SMS, email, or both. After all is done, select Send Invite. Your team member will receive an invite to join via email. Team members will be required to sign up with the link. Only team members with Notification Only access level will not be required to sign up because they will only receive notifications and not have access to your business account. And that's it.